Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart. In this trade idea review, I'm going to walk you through a trade idea on KORS that worked very well in just 4 days, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start off here, and we're talking about a trade idea that took place in the very beginning of January this year, January 2006. So here is the information right off the trade ideas page that I use for my insider members. So what I do is I lay it out just like this. January 30th, so looking to sell on consecutive closes less than the 10 EMA, which is the 10 exponential moving average. You can see it had crossed below the 21 simple. So the moving averages I have on here, there are three of them: the 10 exponential, the 21 simple, the 55 simple. Okay, and the 10 EMA is kind of my trigger line, and I'm trying to ride the 10 EMA. So what I did was I saw that it had, it popped back above the 10 and it was coming back down below, and we had two consecutive closes right in here. And I wanted to enter at the low here, at the green line, which is the low of this day. So a break of that low. The low is 39.87, so the entry was sell at 39.86. I'm going to use the Feb 40 puts, so we're going to be slightly in the money, just really kind of at the money. The stop was going to be up here at 42.10. The initial target is 37.83, right down here. So it's not a huge move, but sometimes these things struggle to make even a 5% move in the stock. So we entered the very next day. We got the puts at 245, and I always lay it out and buy at the ask and sell at the bid for conservative purposes here, just to demonstrate the trade idea. So right now we've got the entry. And so here's the day that we got in here. And so this was day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and then literally the next morning, early in the morning, you can see 9:23 within the first hour. The target was hit and sold one at 360. So bought at 245, sold at 360. And that's covering the spread. So, we're buying at the worst case and selling at the worst case here, okay? So this is what we made on the first half. And then what I did was I decided to watch the 30-minute bars and use those to time it close, because I wasn't going to give it a whole lot of room, and exited the second half at 330. So lit down a little bit more from where we bought it. And I was being conservative or looking at the 30-minute to try to get a quick exit, not give a lot of room on the second half, because we were down at this point where there was potential support that had come in before. And we were right down in that area. So there was just no guarantee. Now, if I was going to be, what could we have done a little bit better on the trade? We still had 41% profit in 4 trading days. So, still a very, very nice trade. But what we could have done is let the second half run a little bit more, and it would have had down here to say used a close, exit on a close greater than a 2-day high. Well, that means you would have been out right here. And that would have been at 36.49. So the target was 37.83 and 36.49. Might have got another buck and a quarter, or at least another buck on the options. So could have generated an even greater return on them. But right now wasn't too bad. Was very conservative with it, and the exiting because of the prior support right in here. So this is a great example of what you could do when you get in and ride the trend and it starts to move very quickly here, breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. All right, that's the trade idea on KORS from early January 2016. All right, if you found that helpful, please share the video, and if you're watching this anywhere else besides my website, then head on over to the website and check out the posts and other things I've got for you. All right, everyone, have a great day. Talk to you on the next video.